Hello my friends, welcome to Joey's Tech. In this video I will show you how to bring your sidebar back if it has been disappeared like this. If your sidebar has disappeared accidentally, you cannot bring it back like this and it's going to turn very annoying. So what to do here? You see Finder menu over here, you see View over here, just click on it. In this menu you are going to find an option called Show Sidebar, just click on it and your sidebar will be back. It's that simple. If you don't want the sidebar, if you want to remove it, I have already showed you one trick in the beginning. Let me show you another trick. Just click on View again. The menu is going to open. Over here, now you are going to see an option, Hide Sidebar. Click on it and it will be gone again. And this is how you bring back your sidebar in Finder or remove it. I hope this video solved your problem. I'll see you in the next video of Joey's Tech. Till then, goodbye and take very good care of yourself.